Sending emails. When you write an email, you'll be using the Compose window. This is where you'll add the email address of the recipient or recipients, the subject, and the body of the email, which is the message itself. You'll also be able to add various types of text formatting as well as attachments. Click the buttons in the interactive below to become familiar with the Compose window. Once you're familiar with the basics of Mail View, you can start taking advantage of its most helpful features with these additional tips. To create an email signature. A signature is an optional block of text that appears at the end of every mail you send. If you send a lot of email messages, signatures can save you a lot of time. They're also a good way to share your title and additional contact information such as a phone number with new contacts. 1. From the Compose window, locate and select Signature command on the ribbon, then select Signatures from the drop-down menu. 2. The Signatures and Stationery dialog box will appear. Click New. 3. The New Signature dialog box will appear. Enter a name for the signature and click OK. 4. Enter the desired signature. A signature typically includes your name and some contact information like your phone number or email address. You can also include basic formatting and hyperlinks. 5. When you're satisfied with the signature, click OK. 6. The Compose window will appear. Locate and select the Signature command, then select the newly created signature from the drop-down menu. 7. The signature will appear in the body of the Compose window. Click Reply. If you won't be able to answer your messages for several days, it's easy to set an automatic reply, also known as a vacation reply, which will automatically reply to any messages you receive. A vacation reply typically includes the date you plan to return and contact information while you're unavailable. 1. Click the File tab on the ribbon. 2. Backstage view will appear. Locate and select Automatic Replies. 3. The Automatic Replies dialog box will appear. From here, you can choose several options for your reply, including a time range, rules, and more. 4. Include a message for the reply, then click OK. 5. Your reply will be automatically sent to any messages you receive. 6. To turn off automatic replies, navigate to Backstage View and then select Turn Off. You will not be able to use this feature without a Microsoft Exchange account, which is typically only used in the workplace. Spell check. Whenever you're composing an email, it's important to make sure that your message is free from spelling and grammatical errors. Some spelling errors will be detected automatically as you write your message, which should feel familiar if you've ever used the spell check feature in Microsoft Word. To print email messages. If you need to reference or document an important message away from your computer, it's easy to print an email message. 1. Click the File tab on the ribbon. 2. Backstage View will appear. Locate and select Print. 3. The Print pane will appear. Choose your settings, then click Print. Organizing and managing email. Once you start using Microsoft Outlook 2010 regularly, it can be difficult to keep up with all your messages. Fortunately, there are several features that can help you manage and organize your messages. In this lesson, you learn how to create folders, apply categories, and set rules. We'll also talk about using flags to manage your messages and how to delete messages from your inbox. Using folders. Folders can help keep your messages organized. There are 4 default folders in Mail View: Inbox, Drafts, Sent Items, and Deleted Items. Just like the folders on your computer, folders in Outlook can be nested to create multiple layers of organization. For example, you might create several folders within the Inbox folder to keep track of the different types of messages you receive. To access folder commands, locate and select the Folder tab on the ribbon. The Folder tab will appear. Click the buttons in the interactive below to learn more about using the Folder tab. To create a new folder. Before you create a new folder, you must select the desired location for that folder. In our example, we'll create a folder within the Inbox folder to help organize messages containing important memos. 1. Locate and select the Folder tab on the ribbon. The Folder tab will appear. 2. Select the desired location for the folder and then click the New Folder command. 3. The Create New Folder dialog box will appear. Type the name for the folder and click OK. 4. The folder will be created in the selected location.